Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the outstanding advantages of advanced agricultural machinery, a key solution for building a modern and sustainable agricultural future. Advanced agricultural machinery is not just about supporting production. It represents a seamless integration of technology and farming. One of its most notable benefits is its high level of automation. With intelligent control systems, these machines can efficiently handle tasks such as planting, irrigation, crop care, and harvesting with precision and speed. This significantly reduces manual labor time and enhances production efficiency. Additionally, the application of modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, has ushered in a new era of agricultural management. These machines can collect real-time data from fields, analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop development stages. This enables farmers to make more accurate decisions, minimizing the waste of resources like water, fertilizers, and pesticides, while maximizing productivity and crop quality. Another critical advantage of advanced agricultural machinery is its environmental friendliness. Through cutting-edge technology, these machines optimize resource usage, protect soil from degradation, and limit pollutant emissions. This is especially vital in the face of increasingly complex climate change and the rising demand for safe, clean food. Moreover, advanced agricultural machinery enhances flexibility and adaptability for modern farming models, from large-scale operations to small farms. For example, drones can precisely spray fertilizers or pesticides over vast areas, while agricultural robots can tend to individual plants in high-tech greenhouses. Finally, adopting advanced agricultural machinery not only delivers economic benefits to farmers, but also improves their quality of life. By replacing strenuous manual labor with machinery, farmers have more time to focus on management and improving farm productivity. Let's look forward to a future where technology and agriculture work hand in hand to build a productive, sustainable, and environmentally friendly farming system. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about these innovative agricultural solutions to the community.